Welcome to Sima's Way Cooking. Today we're gonna prepare the best shish taouk chicken cubes under 20 minutes that taste just like the grill but instead in the air fryer. First we cut the chicken breasts into cubes. As you can see, I'm using 2 chicken breasts, almost 1 pound. Then we add 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons mayo, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon hot sauce if you like it spicy, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, and if you like garlic flavor, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder or 1 clove of garlic. Then spread the chicken breasts in the container of the air fryer and bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Once it's done, then air fry it at 390 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Look, it just looks the same way as the grilled one, and it tastes even better with less effort. You have to try this recipe. It's amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sima's Way.